Students, in this video I am going to discuss three theorems on limit points of a sequence. First theorem is the set of limit points of a bounded sequence is bounded. That means we have a bounded sequence, then the sequence has limit points, then this set of limit points is bounded. We have to prove this. Fine. So suppose A and B a bounded sequence. Since A and B a bounded sequence, so obviously we can find two real numbers, small k and capital K, where small k is less than equal to capital K, such that An is laying in between small k and capital K. That means we have this type of graph. Here all the terms of An is laying here. There is no term here, there is no term here. That means there is no term in between minus infinite to small k, and there is no term between capital K to infinite. Here is infinite. Fine. So this is written here. An does not belong to any in the interval minus infinite to small k. That means this part. And An does not belong to k to infinite for any n. There is no term here and here. So all the terms are laying here. Fine. Now let L be any real number. L be any real number. Now if L belongs to here or here, either L belongs to here or here. For example, if L belongs to here, any real number on the real line, that real number either in this part or middle part or in the right hand part. So suppose L belongs to from minus infinite to small k. Fine. Then minus infinite to k contains no term of the sequence because all the terms are laying here. Then obviously L is not a limit point of An. If L belongs to here, then L will not be a limit point, because if you take any small neighborhood of L, then this neighborhood does not contain any limit point of the sequence because all the terms are here. That's why. Similarly, if this L belongs to the right hand part here, then obviously if you take any limit point of this, then again this limit point of L does not contain any term of the sequence, and hence L is not a limit point. Thus, that limit point obviously neither here nor here. So the only possibility is that the limit point belongs to this interval from minus k to k. Thus, no point outside this small k to capital K is a limit point of his. Fine, because any limit point will be here in this closed interval. So the limit point of N lie in this closed interval small k to capital K closed interval, which is a bounded set. So the set of all the limit points of a bounded set sequence is bounded. Fine. So this is bounded. I think you understand the theorem. Now we have note point. The bounds of the set of all the limit points of a bounded sequence are same as the bounds of the sequence. That means if suppose the sequence is this, which is bounded, so this is small k to capital K. These are the bounds of the sequence. Similarly, they will also be the bound of limit points. So here K and capital K are the bounds of sequence An and its limit points and its set of all its limit points. Fine. So this is the written here. Second, the set of limit points of an unbounded sequence may or may not be bounded. That means the set of limit points of an unbounded sequence may or may not be bounded. If we have a bounded sequence, then limit point is bounded. But if sequence is unbounded, then its set of limit points may be bounded or unbounded. And these are the examples. If you take the first example, then what is the sequence? Sequence is 1, half, 2, 1 by 3, 3, 1 by 4, 4, 1 by 5 and so on. So if you draw these on the real line, then started with 1. This is 1. First term. Next term is half. Suppose this is 0. So this will be half. Next term is 1 by, next term is 2. So here we have 2. The next term is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 will be somewhere here. Then we have 3. The next term is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4. The next term is 4. Then 1 by 5 small. So you will see that here we are having denseness. So we can say that 0 is the limit point. 0 is the limit point. 0 is the limit point. However, set is unbounded. However, set is unbounded. Because you can see that next time is 5, next is 6 and so on. Increases. So unbounded. Now the second example. Here, similarly you can see T2 plus 1 plus half, 2 plus half, 1 plus 1 by 3, 2 plus 1 by 3 and so on. So the limit point is 2. If you draw this on the real line, this pattern, so you will see that 1 is a limit point, 2 is a limit point, 3 is a limit point, so infinitely many limit points. In fact, set of natural numbers is nothing but the set of limit points of this sequence, which is unbounded. Hence, sequence is unbounded as well as the set of limit points is unbounded in this case. Fine. So this is the example. Now we have another theorem. Every bounded sequence has the greatest and the least limit points. If the sequence is bounded, then obviously its set of limit points is bounded. Then we have to prove that that set has greatest and least limit point. क्योंकि sequence bounded है तो उसका set of limit points भी bounded होगा पिछली थ्योरम से. अब हमें प्रूफ करना है कि ये सेट जो सीक्वेंस जो लिमिट पॉइंट्स का जो सेट है इसका ग्रेटेस्ट और लीस्ट एलिमेंट होगा. वी हैव टू प्रूव दिस. फाइन. सो सपोज ए एंड बी ए बाउंडेड सीक्वेंस. सिंस दिस इज बाउंडेड, then obviously its set of limit points will be bounded. So suppose then the set S of the limit points of A n is also bounded by the previous theorem, and S is non-empty. S will be non-empty. क्यों? क्योंकि इस सेट का कोई ना कोई लिमिट पॉइंट जरूर होगा. कैसे? बाय द बोल्जानो-वायस्टास थ्योरम. क्योंकि हम लोगों ने पढ़ी हुई थी, हमने पढ़ी थी कोई भी अगर सेट है जो कि बाउंडेड है तो ऑब्वियसली उसका कम से कम उसका एक लिमिट पॉइंट होगा. तो जब एक लिमिट पॉइंट होगा तो एस इज नॉन एम्प्टी. देन बाय बोल्जानो-वायस्टास थ्योरम विच सेज दैट एस हैज अ इन्फीमम एंड सुप्रीमम, तो उसका इन्फीमम और सुप्रीमम होगा. लेट अस सपोज दैट L is the infimum of S and S is the supreme. Now our target is to show that L and U both are in S. यही हमें प्रूफ करना है कि वो रखेंगे, infimum और supremum होगा. That means we have to prove that L and U belongs to S. So किसी एक के लिए हम प्रूफ करके दिखा देते हैं. For example से U के लिए. So since U is the supremum, fine. So for any epsilon, let u minus epsilon and u plus epsilon be a neighborhood of u. That means we are considering the neighborhood of u. Fine. Now since u is the supremum of S on the set S, this is suppose set S, u is the supremum here. Then if you take any epsilon, then obviously we can find sorry, then we can find a number here. If you subtract slightly amount here, this is the neighborhood of u plus epsilon to u minus epsilon, since this is the supremum. So if you subtract some amount here, then immediately you get some element here, x, and this x is an element of S. Fine. So what we get? We get the inequality x is less than equals to u, because u is the supremum, so that's why equality, and here is u minus epsilon, and u plus epsilon is greater than u plus epsilon. Fine. So can we say that x belongs to u minus epsilon to u plus epsilon, and this is here. So we have this inequality, that's why x belongs to this interval. So u plus minus epsilon and u plus epsilon is a neighborhood of x. इसका neighborhood हो गया ये x का. But what is S? S is the set of all the limit points of sequence an. That's why x is a limit point of an. क्योंकि s के अंदर belong कर गया तो limit points का set था, तो इसका मतलब x एक limit point हो गया. So x is a limit point of an. Now, since by the definition, if x is a limit point, then every neighborhood of x contains infinitely many terms of an. अगर x एक लिमिट पॉइंट है तो infinitely many terms रखेगा an की, और एक neighborhood तो हमें मिल ही गया है u minus epsilon. That's why we can say that every neighborhood of x contains infinitely many terms of an, and this is one of the neighborhood. So this neighborhood contains actually infinitely many terms of an, which is true for every epsilon, and hence every neighborhood of u contains infinitely many terms of an. That's why u is nothing but a limit point, and if u is a limit point, so obviously u belongs to S, because S is nothing but the set of limit points. So u is a limit point of an, and so u belongs to S. Similarly, we can prove that L belongs to S. Fine. Now in the next video I am going to prove the next theorem. Fine.